News, guys, good news for all the Kelp miners. We are mining Kelp or you participate in Kelp Airdrop is still ongoing. And there's good news because Kelp has actually started their pre-sale. What this means is that after the pre-sale is what is launching, you get. So Kelp actually started their pre-sales, and for those people who did not participate in the airdrop, get can get to buy pre-sale, you know, so that when they launch, you can sell it back at a much higher profit. And for you that did not participate in the airdrop, you still have a chance on participating in this particular cape airdrop. Well, you can see that look at the price of the cape right here, 0.0082. If you have up to 1,000 cape, that will be like $100 for you already. You understand? This is the pre-sale launch, and this is the pre-sale launch, the pre-sale price. The launch price is going to be way more higher than this. If the pre-sale launch is 0.082, just imagine how the launch price is going to be. You understand? So I'm going to show you guys how you can get started on this particular airdrop called the Kelp airdrop. This is called the Kelp airdrop actually, and the link to the link to this particular app will be in the description box. This particular airdrop will be in the description box. What you need to do for this particular app, so it's just way to sign up, create your wallet, and boom, you have successfully started participating in the airdrop. And for you to earn, you don't actually click to mine, you already earn on this particular platform by just referring your friends. You understand? Once you can see, if you invite people to this particular platform, we rewarded with 619 Kelp token. You get this is your referral link. You can click on share referral link right here. You click on share, they're going to generate the referral link for you, and it has already copy it and share to your friends. You understand? Once you get people this particular platform, you'll be rewarded with it. Get you can also earn more Kelp coins by performing simple tasks like and give tweeting or retweeting this giveaway post on S, doing this on Twitter, voting for them, vote on coins, vote on Jeff Father. These things are easy tasks that you can copy and you can get to earn more coins. You understand? So let me do the copy this first task. Then just click on this right here and click on giveaway post on S. Kelp's $350k giveaway is live. Let's like, comment on your post and make this post go viral. Click on post go viral and take it to your S page or your Twitter page. So all you have to do is very easy. So all you need to do is to like it, and you can drop a comment if you want to drop a comment. Let me just drop my referral link on the comment section. Let me see. Okay, let me just see. Okay, when you tweet, then you have to retweet the post. Get you can try to comment anything, but I just had to do that. You understand? So once I've done that, then you can now head back to the Kelp app, and you can see you have totally completed that task and you're rewarded. So that's how you complete all of these tasks. You understand? And for those people who are interested in buying Kelp at pre-sale market, get can to buy Kelp at pre-sale market. We don't have the stress to be inviting people. The only way for to make profit is by buying at pre-sale market. Understand? Buying in the pre-sale market is very easy. And what you need to do is to use the link in the description box, the pre-sale link in the description box you get. So let me go to the pre-sale page, right? And click on the pre-sale. Yeah, for you can also make more money on this particular platform if you can invite people to buy the pre-sale. You can buy it at pre-sale. Click on T50 giveaway, and you can see that what you do is to invite people once they buy any of the Kelp at pre-sale, you'll be rewarded. You understand? So you can click on the refer your friends, and then you copy your pre-save referral link and share to your friends. You get so once they when they buy or they purchase the pre-save, you have a chance of purchasing this giveaway. You understand? So let me take you to the pre-save page. The link to the pre-save page will also be in the description box, or you can go use directly from your Kelp app to go to the pre-save page, and you can see that you just have to scroll down. You can see right here the pre-sale is almost over though. The pre-sale is almost over, and the current price is 0.082 USDT for the pre-sale. For the pre-sale, you get. So all you have to do is to just connect either your PSC or your Ethereum wallet. You get. Okay, since I'm not talking about pre-sale right now, so I'll just leave this. Maybe in the next video, if you want to buy pre-sale, I'm going to make a video about on the Kelp pre-sale. Just let me know in the description. But right now, since I'm talking about how you can participate in the airdrop, so let's just stick with that. You get so, and I think I've talked about how you can participate in the airdrop. Participating in the airdrop is simply you signing up and referring your friends. Share your referral link, copy your friends, share to your friends, and once they sign up, you'll be rewarded. You get. You can see the ecosystem is still currently under development. The wallet too is actually showing available balance 0 and my reserve kept 29,000. Again, this is because it hasn't been launched yet. The once it will be launched, everything is going to be showing and they cannot send and receive, you understand? So guys, this will be it for this particular video. Get so I have a Telegram channel where we actually post links about all of these airdrops, you understand? I really get to share the airdrops, the link to the airdrops on our Telegram channel before making a video about it on this particular channel. So if you're on that particular channel, you will always be the first to know about all of this stuff and be the first to actually participate in this. You get so I will encourage everybody to actually join that particular channel so that you not miss out on any updates you get. So guys, bye, peace out.